Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball pull offline. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball pull offline, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps app settings. After that, in this window, you will enter to 8-ball pull. Then you will find this list of app info. You will click for stop. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi and you click here to turn off your Wi-Fi as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.